In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Google Chrome. Clearing your browser cache is a simple way to fix loading issues, see the most up-to-date version of websites, and free up a bit of space on your computer. I'll walk you through it step by step, and you can follow along in your own browser as we go. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in the Chrome window you want to clean up. At the very top right corner of the browser, look for the 3 vertical dots. This is the main menu button. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. From the menu that drops down, move your mouse over the option labeled More Tools. When you hover over it, another side menu will appear. In that side menu, click on Clear Browsing Data. This will open a new tab or a pop-up window with the clearing options. You'll now see a box with a few different settings. At the top, make sure you're in the Basic tab, which is usually selected by default. The first thing to set here is the time range. Click on the drop-down menu and choose how far back you want to clear data. If you want a thorough clean, select All Time. If you just want to fix a recent issue, you can choose something shorter, like Last Hour or Last 24 hours. Below the time range, you'll see a few checkboxes. The most important one for this video is Cached Images and Files. Make sure that box is checked. You can also clear browsing history and cookies from this same window, but keep in mind that removing cookies may sign you out of websites, so only select those if you're comfortable with that. Once you've chosen your time range and confirmed that Cached Images and Files is checked, look in the bottom right corner of the box and click on the Clear Data button. Chrome will start removing the cached files. This might take a few seconds, depending on how much data there is. When it's done, the settings window will close or the page will refresh. At this point, your cache is cleared. Go back to the website you were having trouble with and reload the page. You should now be seeing the latest version, and many common loading or display issues will be resolved. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to clear the cache in Google Chrome whenever you need to refresh things and keep your browser running smoothly.